Do you work or sell in those gray areas of the internet where platforms love to shadow ban you or suppress your ads and content? Well, fear not, because I got the thing you need to set you free. So buckle up, because today I'm going to help you kill 3 birds with 1 stone, and that's using your blogs as scripts for videos. Let's face it, not everyone has the attention span to read a blog these days. Some folks prefer their content bite-sized and delivered with visuals, music, and maybe even a cheeky animated arrow pointing at the main idea. And that's where turning your blog post into video scripts can help you. It's not just an effective way for you to repurpose your content, but also saves you time and money, while doubling your reach and SEO power. But you just can't copy and paste your blog post into teleprompter apps and call it a day. No, my friends. That will only get you so far. You see, creating multiple forms of content from your blog is like creating breadcrumbs, enticing little morsels that can lead your audience to your website for the whole damn loaf. Now, before you grab a camera, you need to start with a blog post that's worth something. You need one that is dense, but not overwhelming, keyword rich, but not keyword stuffed. Google sees you, and full of value, aka backlink worthy and packed full of helpful information. The blog should be your in-depth need-to-know go-to resource on the topic. And if you want to know how to find a great subject to talk about, watch my other videos about blogs. Think of it as the steak, and the video as the sizzle. The blog's job is to be meaty, comprehensive, and downright irresistible to search engines. You need these types of long-form content to give you ample room to flex your SEO muscle. You can weave in keywords, headings, metadata, and links, all things Google eats up for breakfast. And that is something no search engine can keep people from finding, whether that be about the adult industry, CBD, or Bitcoin. Think about it. How many times have you seen an article about those industries from major publications? They never run ads about it, but it gets picked up by search engines and in front of readers. And that's what you want to create with your blog. But that blog is no good if no one hears about it. And that's where videos come in as snackable content that cater to your audience's shorter attention span needs. Together, they form a dynamic duo. The blog does the heavy lifting with SEO, and the video acts as the gateway drug that lures viewers to your site that they just can't say no to. And the first mistake people make is trying to cram an entire blog post into a 2-minute video. Look, nobody wants to listen to you drone on like a bad audiobook narrator. Instead, treat your blog like a treasure chest and your video scripts as the map. By highlighting the key points, stats, and ideas in a visually engaging and thought-provoking way, you make people say, I do need to know more about this. You know, the breadcrumbs.
So here's your step-by-step guide to identifying which blog to make a video and how to do it. First, identify the core message. What's the one takeaway from your blog that'll make someone's day, solve their problem, or blow their mind? If the blog in question has one of those that just jumps out at you, start there. It's a safe bet that if your blog answers a commonly asked question, people are going to want to see a video about it. Second, choose visual-friendly points, meaning if you got stats, show them as graphics, don't just talk about them. Got a list? Animate it. Got a killer quote? Put it on the screen with a dramatic pause and maybe throw in some sound effects to emphasize it. Third, craft your hook. Your video's opening line should grab attention faster than a toddler with a permanent marker, and we all know how crazy that can get. Try to think of bold statements, but not exaggerated to the point of a lawsuit. Lead with questions or humor to bring the audience in, whatever fits your brand. Fourth, add a call to action. This is the lead to your breadcrumbs. End your video by encouraging viewers to visit your site to read the full article, get more tips, or dive deeper. You have to make the next step irresistible so you can get them where you need them. Videos don't just repurpose your content, they amplify it. So if you are struggling to reach your target audience due to restrictions or shadow bans, you can overcome them with this method. According to a study by HubSpot, 73% of respondents say that video marketing is effective at helping companies reach their overall business goals, which means people want more videos. Plus, embedding videos on your site increases time on page metrics, which is of course a ranking factor Google loves no matter what you are pushing. And here's the kicker. You're creating content for two different audience types, those who prefer to read and those who'd rather watch, without having to reinvent the wheel, which saves you valuable time and money.
But before you press publish, don't forget to put subtitles. And this is for two reasons. One, most people scrolling through videos are doing so on mute. And the second reason is most search engines are scraping videos for dialogue and text. So captions not only make your videos accessible, but also give you another layer of text-based content that search engines can index. Tools like Rev, Descript, or CapCut can make this process seamless. So there you have it, folks, your go-to guide on how to get your content seen when restrictions are in your way. Now, the next time you hit publish on a blog, don't let it languish in the content graveyard. Turn it into a video script, sprinkle in a little breadcrumbs, and watch your audience and your traffic grow. After all, why settle for one slice of the pie when you can have the whole damn bakery?
Are you an agency, SEO professional, independent contractor, or small to medium business? PosiRank is your ultimate solution for SEO management. With intuitive automation tailored to your needs and A+ link building, we've got you covered. Let's boost your online presence and drive impressive ROI together. So head on over to posirank.com and join the community today.